Do you know many people are having trouble with finding the quick wash option on their washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate machine. Press the on OFF button to turn on your Indesit washing machine. Step 2. Load laundry. Place your garments inside the machine and ensure the door is tightly closed. Step 3. Select cycle. Turn the wash cycle knob to select the 20 refresh cycle, designed for a quick 20-minute wash. Step 4. Set preferences. Adjust temperature and spin speed as needed using the machine's control knobs. Step 5. Start cycle. Pour detergent and fabric softener into their slots, then press start/pause to begin the cycle. Now you can easily use the short wash cycle on your Indesit washer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Indesit users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.